Jackula's Castle. Today we're doing our special Pokemon Best Of.
Yeah, we're almost to the end of 2021, and we figured it was time to go ahead and put all the best pulls from all of our shorts into one big video. We've been doing this for about, I think, 5 months now, and we've got quite a bit. So I hope you enjoy taking a look at it. This is just a quick little preview of what we've got coming up in 2022. These are the next things we're going to be opening, and we'll be doing shorts and full videos and all that. So if you can, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out, and we'll see you in 2022. and bought a few more packs of Fusion Strike. Hopefully these will do us a little better than the last ones did.
Yeah. See, in 3 more shorts, we'll be doing a pack from the 3-pack that we got yesterday.
We got really lucky yesterday. They had, we went to Target and they were stocked like crazy. So
they had those Horton Shield Elite Chamber boxes.
Yeah, they had tons of stuff.
You know what? We might have forgot it because we would have got probably some Shining Fate. Or actually, I don't know if that was before or after Shining Fate. But we'd get some Sun and Moon at least,
yeah.
Which would be...
Okay, you ready? Here we go.
Yep.
If I can get it off of there.
There's something there.
Oh, we got something.
Tyranitar V!
All right, our first hit out of these. Okay, and here's the promo from the 3-pack. Eevee. It's a pretty cool one.
There is another 3-pack with the same coin, but it is a silver one, I think.
Yeah, I think it was. That sounds familiar.
Or was it Espeon? Both of them look similar.
Okay, there's your code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go.
might just have got lucky on that other pole.
Well, at least we got one this time. Maybe this will be another one.
Yeah. I can't tell. I'm just looking at the bottom and I can't tell. Go slow on
Here,
this
Pickles barking in the background
one. Go
there.
super slow on this
Okay, here we go. Some of these kind of stick together.
Oh,
Oh, Pikachu! Now, the front of this has what we want on it. Right?
Yeah.
So that must make this better luck, right?
You have to do your luck.
Okay. Well, let's start here. Okay. Now, I do want to say that I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. But I think I got a little glimpse that there's something in this pack. I don't know what, but I think there's something different.
Be a shiny.
It
which
could
would
be.
In the reverse holo section, so
Well,
I prefer shiny to a oh yeah, that's
and I could have completely imagined it.
No, you are not completely imagining.
I have not imagined it, okay.
So I can see that.
You see something coming.
Look at
Okay.
that. That's a shiny holo.
And what's gonna be behind it?
Cinderace V.
All right, we'll take that. Okay, pack 4, our final pack from the Hoopa V.
Now,
Some Evolving
what I
Skies.
want is the VMAX Ultimate or Umbreon.
All right, we got our code card here.
Time to peek. No, I didn't get a peek.
I don't know if it's my hands today, but these things are sticking together. Quit peeking. Here we go.
Okay, a Dream Ball. I've never seen that before.
That's good. I'll always take a new card.
Yeah.
Okay, we're getting...
That.
I think I might have seen something. Could have imagined it. Let's see. See if I imagined it. Move it side up. Oh yeah, there's something here.
Oh, this is our first Leafeon.
That is a cool one. Hey, Hoopa V Pack 4 onto the Vivid Voltage. So what are we hoping for in this
Pack
one?
3.
Yeah, Pack 3. So what are we hoping for in this one? Do you have anything in particular that
Yes,
you'd like to see?
the Rainbow Raider VMAX. I'm not going to say anything. Not going to say anything. There is a chance we will get that in this
Was that a good one? Yeah, I didn't do very good hiding the back of the code card, did I?
Yeah, but I want the Rainbow Rare. VMAX Pikachu, which is somewhere around $300.
Oh, that'd be a pretty good card, I guess. Is that what's in here?
I don't know. It could just be a whole rare.
Could be.
I mean, not gonna get my hopes up or anything.
Okay.
I don't think it is. I think it's
There we go. Oh, there's something here.
Ooh,
That's a cool
I
one.
like that one. It's different.
And here's our first pack.
I know this is pretty expensive for just the promos. I'm glad we got our hands on it.
See what we got here. You ready for this?
I'm hoping we get one of the cards that I need for once.
Okay, Reshiram.
Oh, Oh, Blastoise. Wait,
that's
I
a
already
nice
have
one. You do
Blastoise.
have it, but it's still a great one.
Okay, hope you enjoyed our best and biggest pulls this year. Please like and subscribe. Bye.